everyone and welcome back. It's Christmas Eve. Santa is officially on his way. I hope you've all been good. I'd like to thank everyone who's helped me on my journey this year, especially my subscribers, my viewers, and also the Friendship Express. I couldn't do this without you guys, and I'm so grateful for everything you've done and all your support. So I've just put together a little video of everything that I've done this year. I hope you enjoy it, and happy Christmas everyone, and I'll see you all in the new year.
Back in June 2025, I pressed upload and came alive. Tiny molds and color mixes, diamonds, fairy, snowflake fixes. Every poor little dream, I never knew what it could mean. Now here I stand, I look and see a world you've helped create with me. Some pieces cracked, some turned out right, some had glitter everywhere overnight. But every fail and every win, you made me want to try again. So here's my Christmas thank you song to everyone who came along. My heart is full, my joy is wide, with you all watching by my side. Resin, UV lights, crafting magic through winter nights. This year you helped me find my place. Merry Christmas from Serendipity Creations. Friendship Express, what a ride. Screaming laughs on our crafting tide. Premieres, chats, chaos shared. You showed me love, you showed you cared. We stuck together through thick and thin. Your views gave me the strength to begin. Every like and every cheer kept me crafting through the year. The spills, the swirls, the sparkles, storms, the oops we call our Christmas norms. This resin life is messy art, but oh, it's made me who I am at heart. So here's my Christmas thank you song to everyone who came along. My hands were shaking, but you stayed. You watched me grow with every tray. Resin, UV lights, crafting magic through winter nights. I'd be nothing without your grace. Merry Christmas from Serendipity Creations, babe. And if next year dreams get bigger, if snowflakes turn to silver glitter, I'll take you with me, hold you near, because you made me brave this year. You're my spark,